What if I told you this tiny van is actually a complete home on wheels? My name is Richard M. Tryon. Welcome to California Autos. Today, we're exploring one of the smallest and most unique camper vans in the world, the Japanese Kei Camper. This is a Japanese Kei Camper, one of the smallest camper vans in the world, yet packed with smart features that make it perfect for travel, camping, and even full-time living. Today, we're going to explore everything about it: the exterior, the interior, the features, and of course, how much it costs. So first, what exactly is a Kei Camper? In Japan, Kei cars are ultra-compact vehicles built under strict size and engine regulations. Most of them come with small 660cc engines, which makes them lightweight, fuel-efficient, and easy to drive. Popular models like the Suzuki Every, Daihatsu Hijet, and Honda Van are often converted into these mini campers. And despite their size, they're incredibly practical. From the outside, the first thing you'll notice is just how small this camper really is. Most Kei campers are under 3.4 meters long, which means you can park them almost anywhere: tight streets, small parking spots, even crowded cities. Many models come with sliding doors, making it easy to get in and out, even in narrow spaces. Some versions also include roof racks, storage boxes, and even pop-up roofs that expand the sleeping area. And if you enjoy outdoor camping, certain builds come with attachable awnings, turning this tiny van into a mini campsite. Now let's step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. Even though the space is small, the design is incredibly smart. The seats can fold down completely to create a flat sleeping area, usually big enough for 2 adults. During the day, you can convert it back into seating or even a small dining area. Storage is cleverly hidden everywhere, under the seats, along the sides, and in overhead compartments. Some Kei campers include a compact kitchenette setup with a portable stove, a small sink, and a water tank. Higher-end models can even have a mini fridge, LED lighting, charging ports, and solar panels for off-grid travel. Everything inside is modular, meaning you can switch between sleeping, eating, and relaxing in just a few minutes. It's a perfect example of how smart design can make a tiny space feel functional. When it comes to driving, Kei campers are very easy to handle. Because they're small and lightweight, they're perfect for city driving and narrow roads. Parking is effortless, and maneuvering through tight areas is much easier than with a full-size RV. However, the small engine does mean one thing: speed is limited. You can drive on highways, but it's not built for high-speed performance. On the bright side, fuel efficiency is excellent, which makes long trips much more affordable. Now let's talk about one of the biggest advantages: the price. In Japan, a used Kei camper can cost anywhere between $5,000 to $15,000. If you go for a brand new or fully customized model, the price can go up to around $20,000 or more. Compared to traditional motorhomes, that's extremely affordable. And it's not just the purchase price; maintenance, fuel, and insurance are also much cheaper. So is a Kei camper worth it? Let's quickly look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's compact, easy to park, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly. The interior design is smart, and it offers just enough comfort for short trips or minimal living. But there are some downsides. Space is limited, especially for taller people. The engine is not very powerful. And most Kei campers don't include a bathroom. So it's ideal for solo travelers or couples, but not for families. At the end of the day, Kei campers prove that you don't need a huge vehicle to experience the freedom of travel. With the right design, even the smallest van can become a comfortable home on wheels. So, would you travel in one of these tiny campers? Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more unique vehicles from around the world.